Examtrix 99 YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. Now we are going to discuss about proportional knowledge in for SPI PO, IPPS PO, IPPS or IPPO. Computer awareness is very important topic for IT officers. A set of instructions telling the computer what to do is called program. Word processing, spreadsheet, and photo editing are example of application software. In word processing, the red underline indicate only for spelling mistake, not for the line mistake, number mistake, space mistake. What is the name of the mostly widely used operating system for personal computer? Operating system for OS for personal computers, Windows. The dash file format is a method of encoding pictures on a computer. Only JPEG. Computers manipulate data in many ways, and this manipulation is called processing. Computer manipulate data in many ways, and this manipulation is called processing. Data become dash when it is presented in a format that people can understand and use. Data become information when it presented in a format that people can understand and use. Various applications and documents are represented on the Windows desktop and the Windows desktop by icons. Mobile, TV, internet, network are converging and progressing towards all. Converging and progressing towards IP, IMS. The ascending order of your data hierarchy is ascending order. Bit 01 byte field record file database. And also descending order database file record field byte bit. The pattern of printer lines on most producers are called pair code. Printer lines on most producers are called pair code. The primary purpose of an operating system is OS. Operating system is to make the most efficient use of computer hardware. A file produced by a spreadsheet is generally stored on a disk in an ASCII text format. American Standard, the text format. What does SUMIF function do? SUMIF function adds up cell values based on your conditions. Daisy wheel printer is type of. In which type of printers? Daisy wheel. Impact printer. When a computer uses dash a document, they change its appearance. they change its appearance. Edit a document, they change its appearance. The device is which sent computer data using phone line is known as sent computer data using a phone line is known as modem. Modem is a modulation demodulations. DAS provides process and memory management service that allow two or more task jobs program to run simultaneously. Multitasking. Off byte is known as nipple. The dash is the amount of data that a storage device can move from storage medium to the computer per second. Data that storage device can move from the storage medium computer per second. Data transfer rate. Okay, thank you to all.